Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days. It's Tutorial Tuesday, and today we're going to make something to help us out with our masks. As we get out and about again wearing our masks in public, you may find the elastic around the ears starting to irritate you when you wear it for a long period of time. Today I have a project that'll help with that. It's an easy one and it goes together pretty darn quick. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find an entire section dedicated to free sewing and crafting projects and links to even more sewing and crafting tutorials. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you will need a piece of fabric measuring 5 inches by 8 inches. I'm using 100% cotton fabric, but you can use whatever you have. And you'll need a couple buttons. You'll want to go with a larger size. Mine are about 3/4 inch buttons. You could go larger if you'd like. I wouldn't recommend using these small buttons here. The problem with those is the elastic isn't being tucked tightly behind them and it'll pop off. So make sure they're about 3/4 inch or so size buttons. The supply list and measurements can be found at debsdays.com. I've added a direct link in the description right below this video. First, we need to work with that piece of fabric. On the 5-inch end, we're going to fold that in 1/2 inch. Doesn't have to be exactly 1/2 inch, but pretty close. We're going to press that down. And then we're going to do that with the other end of the fabric. Now we're going to take the entire length of the fabric and fold it in half. And we'll press it again. Open it back up. Now we're going to use that press line as our fold to line, meaning we're going to fold it to that line and press it. And do the same with the other side and press it. Then let's fold the entire thing in half and press it again. Now I need to take this to the machine, and I'm going to stitch, about 1/8 inch from the edge all the way around. I'll be right back. Now we need to sew those buttons on. We're going to go in just a little from the edge. Could be about 1/2 inch, could even go 1 inch in if you'd like, or somewhere in between. You can sew them on your machine, or if you want to do like I am, I'm going to hand sew them on. Something to know about the buttons though. If there are 2 holes in the buttons, make sure those holes are lined up vertically along your fabric. If you have those holes horizontally, I've found that it pulls on the thread a little too much, so put those holes vertically. If you have a button with 4 holes, do some crisscross stitching. It seems to make it a bit more secure. All right, let me get my button sewed on. I'll be right back. And just like that, we have something to help protect our ears when we're wearing those masks as we're out and about. And remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and be careful out there. If you'd like to see more sewing and craft projects like this one, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com. You'll find an entire section dedicated to free sewing and crafting projects and links to even more sewing and crafting tutorials. See you next time with another project.